Hello traders, this is Chris from AAAFx taking a look at Bitcoin. We initially pulled back just a bit during the trading session on Tuesday, but have turned around to show signs of strength. We are in the overbought condition again on the daily chart and on the weekly chart. So we could see a little bit of a pullback. You can see how stretched we are at the moment. Nonetheless, I think we're still aiming for this 47,500 level. This is an area that's been important a couple of times in the past on the weekly chart. So it certainly looks like we're trying to fulfill that potential move. So with that in mind, no interest whatsoever in trying to get too cute and shorting this market. You could tell me tomorrow we're going to drop $1,000. I still really wouldn't be a seller. I would love to see a move back to 40,000. Whether or not we get it remains to be seen. We could also just kind of go back and forth. But I think at this point, it's obvious that Bitcoin continues to be a buy on the dip scenario. Ironically, one of the things pushing Bitcoin higher is the idea that an ETF may be available in January. Okay, but that just creates artificial demand. It'll be interesting to see how that actually plays out over the longer term. It goes completely against anything that Bitcoin's about. And now that Wall Street's kind of taken it over, you wonder what the future of Bitcoin is. They will probably pump it. That's basically what they do with stocks. The question is, will it be sustainable? Well, I think it's sustainable to 47,500 at the very least, probably a lot higher than that. But then there's going to come a point where somebody's going to ask, are we ever going to actually use this? That's a longer term question. In the meantime, it remains one of the favorite speculative assets of new hot money. And that coincides with the interest rate markets. If interest rates continue to drop, that helps Bitcoin because people are willing to take more risk. If they rise, it makes bonds more attractive. Really has nothing to do with the utility of Bitcoin, whether it is or is not something that's going to be used. It's about speculation. Do not get it wrong. Do not get it twisted. With this, I think you have a buy on the dip mentality, at least for the foreseeable future, with the 20-day EMA underneath offering dynamic support.